English Afrikaans future tense. I will do.
Ek sal doen.
Welcome and game plan. Hi there. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to nail Afrikaans future tense and have a giggle on the way? Today you'll lock in the pattern for will do in Afrikaans, starting with I will do.
Ek sal doen.
We'll add you, he, she, we, you plural, and they, plus the super handy, make.
Maak.
By the end, you'll be firing off promises like a productivity superhero, cape included. Your goal today. By the end of this section, you'll confidently say every core form, clean, clear, and quick. I will do.
Ek sal doen.
You will do, singular.
Jy sal doen.
He will do.
Hy sal doen.
She will do.
Sy sal doen.
We will do.
Ons sal doen.
You will do, plural.
Julle sal doen.
They will do.
Hulle sal doen.
Make.
Maak.
As in, it will make sense.
Dit sal sin maak.
Closing parenthesis. Mini dialogue, the to-do team. Listen in and picture the scene, then echo the Afrikaans out loud after each line. A. The printer is jammed again. Who's brave? B. I volunteer.
Ek sal doen.
C. If it needs a screwdriver.
Hy sal doen.
The tricky part. D. And the spreadsheet? Easy.
Sy sal doen.
A. Perfect. As a team.
Ons sal doen.
Whatever it takes. Coach, entering, hey crew.
Julle sal doen.
Great today. All, together.
Hulle sal doen.
The deliveries, and wheel.
Maak.
Coffee to celebrate. Call and repeat drills. Say it with me, nice and clear. I'll leave pauses for you to repeat. Repeat.
Ek sal doen.
Repeat.
Jy sal doen.
Repeat.
Hy sal doen.
Repeat.
Sy sal doen.
Repeat.
Ons sal doen.
Repeat.
Julle sal doen.
Repeat.
Hulle sal doen.
Bonus verb.
Maak.
Example.
Dit sal sin maak.
Rhythm pass. Clap on each word.
Ek sal doen. Ons sal doen. Hulle sal doen.
Culture tip. Make a plan. Quick insight you'll love, and it'll save you mistakes. South Africans love the phrase.
Maak 'n plan.
Make a plan, creative problem-solving spirit. Use.
Doen.
For actions you do, like promises.
Ons sal doen.
What nodig is. Use.
Maak.
For creating or making.
Kan jy koffie maak?
In idioms.
Dit maak sin.
Lightning quiz. Quick check. Answer out loud before I reveal it. Q. How do you say, we will do? A.
Ons sal doen.
Q. Translate, they will do. A.
Hulle sal doen.
Q. English to Afrikaans. You will do, singular. A.
Jy sal doen.
Q. English to Afrikaans. You will do, plural. A.
Julle sal doen.
Q. Which verb means make? A.
Maak.
Q. Say, she will do. A.
Sy sal doen.
Q. Say, he will do.
I sal doen.
Q. Finish this idiom, it will make sense.
Dit sal sin maak.
Challenge and goodbye. Time to flex your new superpower, fast and fun. In one breath, say them all.
Ek sal doen, jy sal doen, hy sal doen, sy sal doen, ons sal doen, julle sal doen, hulle sal doen.
Plus the maker move.
Maak.
Boom, you did it. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing a little every day. This podcast is by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.